To submit documents to Coinbase for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Make sure you have all required documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Create or log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, go to your account settings or profile section. Look for the option related to account verification or document submission. This is usually found under security or compliance settings. Step 3. Select document type. Choose the type of document you need to submit. This could include identification documents like a driver's license or passport, proof of address, or other required documents as specified by Coinbase. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Ensure that the files are clear and legible. Check that you are uploading the correct documents in the required format, such as JPEG or PDF. Step 5. Review and submit. Before finalizing your submission, review all uploaded documents for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your documents for review. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your submission has been received. After completing these steps, wait for Coinbase to process your documents. You will be notified via email or through the app regarding the status of your account approval.